I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree.
Hey guys, just done attending mass, so we're going home na. Say hi. Hi. Hey guys, so namin karon diri sa SM kay mo palit ni og bag. Kay habit ng birthday sa mama ni Kael. So tomorrow is her birthday. So mangita mig present like mo palit mig bag. So yeah. So natay SM gift card diri guys. Manatang gamiton para mo palit ta og bag. Nangita pa mig bag kung unsay nindot namong i-gift sa mama ni Kael. Help us choose, guys. Makapalit na tag-bag for $2.99. Siguro kani, nandun sa ni siya color, maroon. Maroon, marag violet. So guys, nakapili na may bag. So kanina lang among paliton kay na ano siya zipper. So much better if na siya zipper than na siya cover. Go na ba? Wala pa ko ibdo nga bag. $8.99 na lang guys. So more sales para mapalit na ka bag. Kumain na lang po mga guys. Kumain. So guys, mabayad na may try. Asa ta sunod karon? Di ka din may nagpalit og ticket para ticket sa barko kay mo ulit me this coming Thursday sa latest. So guys, mag-vlog sa ta. Oo. Dili na sa So guys, magpa-exchange na si Kael sa iyahang €10. Thank you, Kuya Sai. Okay guys, we're back. So, nanatay transaction worth $15,000.
Lowest in euro. Bilis din na dyan.
Hi, Jokel. Food court. Got the goods. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Gotcha, Torx. Sweet. One last bite. mi dire sa Marigondon. So, padong nami sa Crab Island. So, let's check if naabot yung crab sa Crab Island! What do you think? So, let's find out. I have a surprise for you guys. Look! So many people. Time check, it's 5:01. So, those are crabs. See? Crab. Where are you guys? My friend. Shh. Shh. They're hiding. Guys, they're so fast. They hide so quickly. Can you see that, guys? That's why it's Crab Island. Hmm? Wow, so nice. Hi, guys. So, this is the status of us. The rocky road. Say hi! Hi! So, wala siya ang agianan, guys. So, it's a struggle. And just a trivia. Did you know, guys, nga ang birthmark ni Kael kay crab? That's why naa siya red tattoo sa iyang ulo. Naa, guys. Ano siya, guys? Crab. Yun lang naman, SKL. Look at the view. It's so giving. Hapon na. Oh my God, it's the cave. Dira magpuyo ang mga crab. Dira lang hideout. So guys, this is sort of our cardio workout. I'm burning fat because I'm a fat. So guys, mga ano siya, estimate of 5 to 6 minutes walk. So more people coming up. Joke. More people. Padung na sila ulit. While padung kami sa dami. This is Crab Island, everyone. Cheers. Time check, it's already 5:25 and maligo na mi. So, dili namin magdaog phone dito. Hindi kayo magdaog phone dito para mag-ambak-ambak. But, dili na lang kay kusog kembod or like, basin mabasa ang vlog. So, maligo na mi. Hi guys! Time check, it's already 5:50. Makita pa ba ang kalsada? Guys, makita pa ninyo ang kalsada. It's so dark. Woo! Nanatay suka. Hello guys. Hello guys. Very supportive si Jokel. Dahil mo ni Jokel or ni Kael? Kael. Kael. Oh my God, my sleeper. Astang hasula baya dere. The struggle is real. Finally. Hi guys! So, nami diri karon sa pinaka-famous nga barbecuehan sa Marigondon. Pinaka-famous! Dito buot-buot rato na ako guys. Pero lami jud yung ilahang barbecue diri. I recommend mukaon mo diri sa Van Juice Barbecue. Free lang ni advertise ha. Hey everyone, good morning. So time check, it's already 3:24. It's already Monday. Earlier, I believe na abot midri sa balay is around 8. And wala na jud ko naka-outro kay after na maligo na tog na dayon ko kay it's very kapway. So guys, if you've reached this video, I really appreciate the time that you've invested to just watch this video. If you have some recommendations sa video nga atong himuon, then I'm open for that. Marato siya guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified once mag-upload ko of new video. So see you on my next video. Bye!
I'm turning my head up and down. I'm turning around. And all that I can see is just another lemon tree.